Welcome to Soft Skills with me. In today's lesson, you will learn about consistency and its benefits from the expert.
Let me share with you a simple story. There were two farmers who were digging up a well in their land. One of them was working in his land at one point where he believed that he would get water, whereas the other farmer kept digging up holes at several points, thinking that he would get water at different points. After a month, a passerby looked at the second farmer and said, "What are you doing?" The farmer replied that "I am trying to find water. I am digging up a well." The passerby laughed at him and moved on. As he reached the first farmer, he saw that the farmer was very happy that he had found water at the place he had started digging up. He was successful because he kept working at the same point. Rather, he was consistently working at that point. And that is how he could reach his goal or get water. Similarly, an attitude is like a root. So when we have a positive attitude, it brings about a positive behavior in us. And once we have a positive behavior, consistently, over a period of time, it becomes a habit. And once we have that kind of consistency, after setting a goal, then there is nothing on earth which can stop us from reaching our goal. So hence, to have a positive attitude is very important. Now, in my opinion, what is the best kind of positive attitude? If you ask me, the answer would be to have an open mind. Because when you have an open mind, you are open to learn new things from the world. And when you learn new things, there is infinite possibility for you to grow in this world. And my dear friends, growth is everything. To grow is happiness. To grow is joyfulness. Thank you.
What an amazing story to explain the benefits of being consistent. And to have an open mind means we are open to a whole world of new possibilities. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments section. And if you want to enroll for the full course on attitude building, you can click on the link in the description and enroll for the course on Udemy. Never miss an update. Subscribe to this channel, like, and share with friends. In the next episode, you will be learning about topic selection for your presentation. Until then, take care.